People think that filing an extension gives them an extension of time to pay, and it doesn't.
I'm Michelle Voskel. I'm here today with John Neal of the Neal Group in Greenfield, Wisconsin. We're here. We're in April. We're making the final push. If you need tax help, please come see us. But if you bring taxes in April, more than likely you're going to be put on an extension. And right now we're going to talk about what filing an extension means and what it doesn't mean. John, what do people misunderstand the most about filing an extension?
People think that filing an extension gives them an extension of time to pay, and it doesn't. Per the tax law, an extension is an extension of time to file the return, but you are supposed to pay any balance due or make a reasonable estimate of the balance due when you file that extension and pay it with the extension.
Right. So when someone brings in their information in April, we're doing an estimate. A lot of times that estimate might be high, but the extension gives you more time to pull the information together.
Right. When new clients come in, we typically ask for their prior year return, and if they've had a history of getting refunds, we can relax a little bit. But if they have a history of owing, then they should be paying.
Right. So who is a good candidate for an extension and who isn't? So for example, if someone did come in early enough that they don't have to be put on extension, even though it's April now, but if someone were to come in, who is a good candidate for putting on extension?
We put a lot of our small business clients, either Schedule Cs or S corporations, on extension because one of the strategies for reducing taxes for a business is setting up a retirement plan. And in making some calculations, we tell clients, if you contribute $20,000 to a retirement plan, you can save $6,000 in taxes. They like that idea a lot, but a lot of times they don't have the $20,000 on March 15th or on April 15th. So we extend the time for them to come up with that money. If they owe money, they should still pay it. But a lot of times saving that $6,000 can put them in a refund position. So we file the extension, and then they have until September 15th or October 15th to make that $20,000 contribution.
Right. So that's one of the ways the Neal Group uses strategy when filing an extension versus being reactive because someone's bringing in their information late.
Right.
Okay, good. So what happens behind the scenes once someone does file an extension?
Most of the time, extensions are filed electronically. If a person is going to make a payment with the extension, they can make that payment either electronically or send it in with the extension form to the IRS themselves.
Right, okay. So from the Neal Group perspective, if you need taxes prepared, you're a small business, you're an S Corp, make sure you're getting your extension done by March 15th. Come in and see us. We'll get it done for you. Same thing for April. Because we're in April now, just make sure you're pulling your information together so we can get you a good estimate. But we can come in, you can come in and we can get that extension done for you. So anything else you want to add, John?
Yes. Our current clients, we know, we send out emails, we make phone calls to see if they need an extension. For new clients, even though it's getting close to April 15th, we still have a policy of a half-hour free meeting with us. We can file the extension at that time. So come in, we'll file the extension.
Great. Come in and see us at the Neal Group.